Welcome! In this lecture, we'll go over how to configure the general parameters of your course and manage pricing plans. To set up your course options, open the desired course and click Course Settings. In the General tab, you can configure the functional settings of your course. The Course Preview parameter allows you to add an image that will appear in the student's account under the Courses tab. Add a cover by clicking the Select button. The Course Lesson Flow parameter lets you define how students will access your lessons. You can choose between giving access to all lessons at once or unlocking a new lesson only after the previous one is completed. The next parameter is Course Completion Criteria. This defines what students need to do to complete the course and receive a certificate. Your task is to select which of the available options will serve as your completion criteria. Choose the course language, which determines the language of transactional emails and the registration page content. Selecting a course language will not prevent students from setting their own preferred interface language in their personal account settings. It's important to select categories for your course. Categorization helps structure courses within student accounts. To select a subcategory, hover over the category you want to choose. Use the toggle switch to collect and display student reviews and ratings. Click Show Student Reviews in the course and select how many reviews you want to display. The Recommend to your students parameter allows you to add related courses to the student's account that may be of interest. Choose where to display these recommendations. The Lesson Numbering parameter defines how lesson titles are displayed in the course program. The Course Program parameter allows you to control how your course program is displayed in student accounts. You can choose Expand, where all sections are open and visible, or Collapse, where sections are closed and must be expanded by students to view their content. Finally, choose the email address from which transactional messages will be sent to students. In the Pricing Plans tab, you can set up payments for your course, add pricing plans, and define access levels for each plan. To make a plan unavailable for new students to view or purchase while keeping it active for existing students, switch the corresponding toggle to Disable. If the course has only one pricing plan, this action will not be available. To modify a plan, click Edit, make the necessary changes, and save them. To delete a plan, click Delete Pricing Plan. If students are currently enrolled under that plan, select another plan to transfer them to. When transferring students, you can choose whether to automatically confirm the payment. If the new plan is more expensive and this option is not enabled, the student will need to pay the price difference. You can also apply the new plan settings, which will automatically update student data such as group tags, course completion time, and assigned instructor. If you click Course Access, you can select which sections and lessons students will have access to when purchasing the course under each plan. In the Notification Emails tab, you can configure course notifications for various purposes. For example, once a student enrolls in a free course, a confirmation email will be sent automatically. You can customize emails to match your academy's branding and create templates for each language.